Hey kids! Welcome back to Channel Name. Today we're blasting off on the ultimate DIY space adventure. We're going to do some super cool science experiments that you can try at home. Ready to explore the galaxy with us? Let's get started. First up, we're building our very own rocket. You'll need some simple supplies, a plastic bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. Let's get mixing. Add a few drops of food coloring to the vinegar. Put a small amount of baking soda on a piece of tissue. Pour the vinegar into the bottle. Wrap the baking soda in the tissue and quickly drop it into the bottle. Close the bottle with the cap and stand back. Whoa, look at that rocket blast off. What do you think will happen if we try different colors? Let's experiment. Next, we're making galaxy slime. It's going to be stretchy, sparkly, and out of this world. Here's what you'll need: glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, and glitter. Mix glue with baking soda in a bowl. Add a few drops of contact lens solution to make it slimy. Add glitter to make it sparkle like a galaxy. Wow, look at that galaxy slime. It's so cool and sparkly. You can even make your own galaxy with different colors. What colors would you use? Segment 3. Space-themed snack time. Last but not least, let's make a space-themed snack. We're going to make star-shaped fruit kebabs. You'll need some fruit, a star-shaped cookie cutter, and skewers. Use the cookie cutter to cut fruit into star shapes. Thread the fruit onto the skewers. These star-shaped fruit kebabs are not only tasty, but look like they came from outer space. What fruits would you use to make your own star kebabs? Outro: engaging music and fun animation. That's it for today's space adventure. We had so much fun exploring, experimenting, and snacking. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to Channel Name for more awesome adventures. Comment below with your favorite part and share your own DIY space creations with us. See you next time, Space Explorers.